Guanxi County lies to the southeast of Guilin in Guanxi, China. Yangshuo County is located in the downstream of Li River that attracts numerous tourists. West Street is the oldest street in Yangshuo with a history of more than 1,400 years. It is the most prosperous district in Yangshuo. It now becomes a place that mixes the Eastern and Western culture harmoniously. The place is saturated with shops and restaurants. This place is in Yulong Bridge or Dragon Bridge, which was built in Yongle period of Ming Dynasty. This place is famous for bamboo rafting and hiking. We joined a hiking tour starting from Yulong Bridge to Jixiuan Village. Hiking takes around 6 kilometers for about 2 hours. The trails will take you through landscape which is amazingly blessed with tutti karst hills and lush green mountain scenery, thick bamboo groves, fruit orchards. Along the paths are farmers tending the rice paddies and fishermen gliding along on their bamboo rafts. Going to Xianggong Mountain, we had to cross the river at Yangshuo by ferry up to hire a van going to Xianggong Mountain as there is no public transportation available. This place became famous overnight after one photographer shooting from there and won bronze prize on the 10th International Photography Exhibition. Be prepared for the 20-minute walk up the steep steps to reach this amazing scenery. Xianggong Mountain is also known as Xianggong Hill, but for the locals, it is also named Hebao Mountain, after the Hebao village at its foot. This place is the 20 Yuan or 20 RMB scenery, which is the primary image on the reverse side of the 20 Yuan note. It is accessible by foot or by tricycle. If you ask the locals, most of them, they know where the place is. You can easily see this place just across the old Xingping village. Xingping Fishing Village is a small village along the Li River, established in 1506. The village went through Ming and Qing dynasties. Here, you will find some intact historical buildings, a lot of dining restaurants, food stores, and souvenir shops. Sadly, our vacation had come to an end and needed to leave the place, bringing with us beautiful memories. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Continue watching to get tips on how to go to China.